Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss worksheet number 63, class 10 science. Magnetic effects of current. Force acting on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. A current carrying conductor experiences a magnetic force due to magnetic field. The force is maximum when the conductor is placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. To demonstrate the force, we perform the following experiment. Take a small size aluminum rod AB. Suspend rod AB horizontally from a rigid stand using two connecting wires. Place a strong horseshoe magnet NS north south in such a way that the rod AB lies between the poles of the magnet. Let the north pole end of magnet lies below the rod and south pole as lies above the rod. Thus, a magnetic field directed in vertically upward direction is present. Complete the electrical circuit of aluminum rod AB by connecting it in series with a battery, key K, and a variable resistance. Put the plug in key so that the electric current begins to flow through the rod from end B to end A. आप ये ऑब्जर्वेशन देख सकते हैं. ऑन पासिंग करंट द रॉड ए बी इज displaced towards the left inference. It shows that the aluminum rod is experiencing a mechanical force due to which it is being deflected. The direction of deflection is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Effect of change in direction of current. Reverse the connection of battery so that on applying plug in key K, current flows in the aluminum rod from A to B. Observation. The rod AB is deflected towards the right. Inference. Thus, by reversing the direction of current, direction of force is also reverse. यानी करंट की डायरेक्शन अगर हम रिवर्स कर देंगे तो मूवमेंट चेंज हो जाएगा, फोर्स की डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगी, अपोजिट हो जाएगी. इट इज़ इन अकॉर्डेंस विथ फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल. Electric motor, it is a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It works on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule. वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. इससे पहले देख लेते हैं effect of change in direction of magnetic field. Now reverse the direction of magnetic field to vertically downward direction for the purpose. Suspend the horseshoe magnet such a way that north pole of magnet lies above the rod AB and south pole of magnet lies below the rod. If now current in aluminum rod is flown from B to A, observation, the rod is deflected towards right. If current in the rod flowing from A to B, then the rod is deflected towards left. Inference. It shows the direction of deflection over the direction of forces reverse on reversing the direction of magnetic field. फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल देख लेते हैं. अब हम स्ट्रेच द फोर फिंगर, द सेंट्रल फिंगर एंड द थंब ऑफ योर लेफ्ट हैंड इन म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन. यानी सारी आपस में परपेंडिकुलर होनी चाहिए, एक दूसरे के लंबवत 90 डिग्री के एंगल पर. द फोर फिंगर शोज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. द करंट, द सेंट्रल फिंगर that of current, then the thumb will point toward the direction of motion of the conductor. That is, the thumb will point in the direction of force. Let us discuss the questions now. State the rule you would use to find the force acting on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. A current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force if the direction of the field and that of the current are mutually perpendicular to each other. Then the force acting on the conductor will be perpendicular to both, and that can be determined using the Fleming's left hand rule. Under what condition is the force by current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field maximum? The force experienced by a current carrying conductor is the maximum when the direction of current is perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Third, a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field. Now answer the following questions. Write the factors on which magnitude of a force experienced by conductor depends. The magnitude of force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field depends on the strength of magnetic field on current in the conductor on length of the conductor. B part, if the force is acting from right to left, how will the direction of force change? Direction of magnetic field is reverse, direction of current is reverse. तो दोनों में ही रिवर्स हो जाएंगे. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स डिपेंड्स ऑन बोथ डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स विल ऑल्सो बी रिवर्स व्हेन डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज रिवर्स्ड. व्हेन डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट इज रिवर्स, डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स विल ऑल्सो बी रिवर्स. यानी कि पहले राइट टू लेफ्ट है तो लेफ्ट टू राइट हो जाएगी, रिवर्स हो जाएगी.